Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and Monday morning brings the Margarete Miller collage assignments, and we are on week 48, and here are the prompts for 48. It's a mushroom, illustration from a children's book, a zigzag, a dried leaf or flower, something loud, and the bonus is a quote. So I'm going to switch out something loud for a quote, and I have my little bundle of items ready. This is a bouncy page, so I'm just going to curtail its bounce and put one of them on. So, a mushroom. Oh, little button mushrooms for the mushroom. Illustration from a children's book. I have this illustration from the children's book. A zigzag. I have a piece of black cardstock that I have zigzagged around with my scissors. A dried leaf or flower. I have this very I was going to say gentle, but that's not right. It's oh, I've lost the word. It'll come back to me. It breaks easy is what I'm trying to say. And the bonus is a quote, and I have this little book of quotes here, and I'm going to use a quote from that book. So I was thinking that this would sit on top of the zigzag piece, and this would go here, and this would just simply go there, and we'll put the quote underneath. Another easy, simple page. So let's get sticking. I've got my book here to glue, my old magazine and my glue stick. There we are, and I'm just going to put this more or less in the middle, slightly up, so that there's room for my quote underneath. There we are. So this is Hamish, this little chap. He's been sent out by his mum, his mammy, to get some mushrooms because she's become all posh and she's making beef bourguignon for the dinner, and she needs some mushrooms. Now it's very dark when Hamish gets sent out, and he needs his torch, and I'm just hoping that the mushrooms that he picks are edible ones, or poor old Hamish and his family are going to be a little bit unwell. Fragile. I think maybe that's the word that I'm after. Now, this won't go on like that, so I'm just going to hope for the best, that if I dot that on like that, it'll be enough. There we are, and we'll just get that little bit of excess off and give it. I don't think I did that in the right place. There. A little bit here. I don't want to break it. There we are. I think that'll do. So he's been a good boy. He's like, yeah, Mum, I'll go out and get you some mushrooms. I'm sure I've got a new torch. And I'm desperate to use it. And so the adventure begins. What do you think? See, because now I feel under pressure to make up stories. Yeah, happy with that. So we have a mushroom, an illustration, a zigzag, a dried leaf, and a quote. Can't believe after this week there's only 4 weeks to go. It's been so quick. 4 weeks left, and then the Margarete Miller challenges are all done. Well, that's me. So thanks for joining me today, and if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.